What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to remove the copyright footer section from your Visualmodo WordPress themes into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, please go to our WordPress dashboard. How to access dashboard? It's your domain plus wp-admin into the browser address bar. Type enter and enter with your email, username and password. Okay, you're gonna be into a page just like this one. And first thing to do right here is removing the elements from the footer copyright. Footers into the Visualmodo themes are separated into three sections. The bottom back to top, you can remove this. The widget section, this middle one, where you can change columns, apply content like image, logo, text, widget, other things. And the copyright footer, that is composed by two columns, the copyright text and a widgets section, where you can apply some widgets in the case that you want, for example, social media icons. First, to remove this section, we need to remove the widgets. So go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and click on widgets. Scroll down and find and search for the copyright footer section. Right here we have the copyright footer and we have two contents, archives and categories, as you can see right here. We're gonna click into these three little dots and delete. Click into these three little dots to open the options and delete as well. Let's repeat the process until we have deleted all the content, so no more content present right here. Let me update the page into the upper right corner button, the blue button to update. Let's review the results. No more content, but we still have the copyright. To change the copyright text, review the WordPress dashboard, left sidebar of menus. Next to dashboard there is an icon called Visualmodo. Hover a mouse over it and click on theme options. Now review the footer section. Here is the content. We're gonna delete it. Simple as that. We're gonna delete all the content and save change. Let me show you the results. As you can see, no more content into the copyright bar, but there is some empty space. How to remove this space? Still on your theme options, review this middle sidebar and find the option custom code. We have custom CSS, so CSS code. Click on it and type this code right here. Let me apply some zoom. In the case that I want the code, let me know into the comments so I can send you the code, or just pause the video and copy the code. It's not big and it's not hard, and all you have to do now is hit the save change button. All done. Now let's review the results we got. As you can see, no more copyright footer. Simple, easy and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys later. All the best.